This is Bruce Kirsch, founder of REFM. What I'll show you is a way to set up your Excel for the best long-term ease of use. The first thing that we'll talk about is the color theme that Excel is capable of giving us versus how it presents itself out of the box. So if we go to File, Options, and then select Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, you can select a theme that's different from the one that is currently showing. For long-term usage of Excel, I recommend either the black or the dark gray theme. And you can select it with the drop down there and then click OK. And this is just generally a heck of a lot easier on your eyes over the long term. The second thing that I recommend is to increase the size of the formula bar so that when we're looking into formulas, we can more easily see the component parts. So currently the formula bar, which I'm showing here, is set at a font size of 11, which again is how it comes out of the box. Changing the size of the formula bar does have one impact to your Excel, which is it increases the size of the columns and the rows. And you may not always want that to be the case when you work on a brand new spreadsheet. So what I recommend you do before anything else is go to File and create a blank workbook and just save this to your desktop as a blank file. And in this way, you'll always be able to access this file where the column widths and row heights are standard proportions for out-of-the-box Excel. And then you can close that file. Next, we'll return to File, Options, and then look on General at font size for when creating new workbooks. That's where you see a font size 11. I'll show you what it looks like at font size 36. And this is going to require a restart of Excel. So if you're doing this, make sure that everything that you want to have saved is saved and closed before you do this. Because once I click OK, I need to close and restart Excel in order to see those changes. And now that I've restarted Excel, you can see there's a tremendous size difference in that formula bar. Now it's a lot easier to see, and that's going to benefit us over time.